This is how to make a daisy chain friendship bracelet. For this bracelet, you're going to need 3 colors. The first color that we're going to pick is the green, which is going to be for the stem. Next is the color of the petals. I'm going to pick this really cute pink. And lastly, we're going to pick our center color, which I'm going to pick this very light yellow. Now with our colors picked, we're going to measure our string. To measure the string, I measure around my wingspan. I like to make the green a little longer since sometimes it gets a little too short. Now, we're going to take the ends of our strings and knot them together. Leave around 2 inches and create another knot. It's time to make the actual bracelet. To make the actual bracelet, you need to clamp it on something. You can use either tape, a clipboard, or as I'm using here, the actual case for my string. The next step will be to organize our strings. We're going to separate our strings into 2 sides, each side with one of each color. To make the actual chain, we're going to take our green string first and create a triangle going inwards. Then we're going to pull the string through and pull it all the way to the end. We're going to do the same thing over and over again, but alternating sides. Now we're going to go to the outside and pull the string through. This can be repeated around 10 to 12 times. After repeating this knot around 10 to 12 times, make sure to do it on the other side. Now with the 2 sides done, we're going to take our pink strings in the middle. We're going to cross one of the strings over and pull it through. We're going to do this twice to create our first petal. Our other 2 petals, we're going to create the same forward knot again and pull it through. Make sure the points of your triangle are going towards the inside. After creating those knots on each side, you will see that you have created a kind of crescent shape. Now, it is time to take our middle string, which is the center of our flower, and create the same knot that we did with the pink string in the beginning. Make sure to tie each of your knots twice. We have made our center now, so we're going to split our strings into 2 piles again and now make a backward knot. Flip it and then pull it through, pushing the string all the way to the middle. Now we're going to take our center strings once more and create those knots. We have created our cute little flower. Now we're going to take the strings into our 2 piles again, and we're going to take our green string on the outside and create the chain. You have now learned how to make a chain and a daisy. Now we're going to repeat these steps over and over again until we have our bracelet. I made around 6 daisy chains. It is now time to take the end of our strings and tie the knot again. We're going to repeat the same thing we did in the beginning, leaving 2 inches in between each knot. Now cut off the end, leaving it nicely trimmed. We're going to remove our bracelet off of our clamp, tape, or whatever you put it under. Take both ends and overlap them, putting them right next to each other. We're going to take 2 excess strings that we have left over from our bracelet. Place them under the bracelet and tie a knot. After you have tied your knot, we're going to take one of the ends and flip it over the threads. Take the other and put it under the threads and pull it through the other loop. We're going to take both ends of the strings and pull it tightly. This will be repeated around 6 to 7 times. Now that it has been repeated, we're going to tie it around once on the top, and then flip it the other side and tie it twice. And that's basically it. There you have your adjustable daisy chain bracelet. Thank you.